Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to secure WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are just going to check this article or blog from the Jetpack uh, company or plugin. And basically, one of the ways of securing your or this is a checklist that you will need to check to make sure that you have your store that is secure. And the first one is to make sure that you are hosting with a secure reputable provider. And basically you will need just to choose some the well-known hosting services, since they will have many uh, security measures, and they will also provide some SSL certificates so you can have some uh, secured connection by using some HTTPS. And basically you can simply go to the WordPress, and basically you can choose any hosting there. You can choose either Bluehost, Hostinger, or anything else, and you will need just to make sure that you choose the SSL certificate so you can have secured connection. And of course, the most important parts are these ones. Are you using secure and safe version of themes and plugins? And basically, you will be needing first to go to your through your plugins, and you can just go to your WordPress, go to the plugins, and from there you can check for the plugins before you download them, etc. You can click on view details. You will need to be seeing their versions, when was the last update. Make sure that this plugin it is often uh, updated, in that it's using some the latest versions of PHP, since also the language is getting updated, etc. And the same goes for the themes. And also you will be needing to make sure it is everything updated for your WordPress, and you will be also needing to check your user permissions. And of course you will be also needing to see the status of your store by going, for example, from here you go to status, and the same goes for the user role. You will go to users. So now let's check for our system status. Make sure that your WooCommerce version 8 is the latest one. Make sure that you are using the server environment as PHP the latest versions, etc. And make sure that there is not much errors in your system. And of course you can start seeing logs, etc. And from here you can also check if you have only one, for example, one admin user, and it should have, for example, a very strong password so it cannot get bypassed, etc. And basically those are the general advices or the ways to secure your WooCommerce. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.